I added eggs to onion and the result was surprising. To start our recipe, we're going to drizzle a bit of olive oil into the skillet, covering the entire bottom. Next, I'll add 2 red onions sliced into rings. I love this moment because you can already feel the recipe coming to life. Now let's add 6 eggs, pouring them right over the onions. Right after that, I'll stir well to combine everything. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a special shout-out. Today's shout-out goes to Spencer Carter from Austin, Texas. I'm really happy that you're enjoying our recipes. Now I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano. Next, we'll keep stirring over medium heat until all the ingredients are well combined. Every time I make this recipe, I realize how much the final look depends on this step. Because this is where the texture comes together, the finish is defined and it turns out delicious. Then I'll add 50 grams of sliced olives. Trust me, it turns out amazing. Now let's add 50 grams of pepperoni cut into small cubes. Next, we'll cover and let it cook for 10 minutes. After that, I'll add shredded mozzarella to taste, spreading it evenly over the entire surface. There are steps in a recipe that make all the difference, and this is definitely one of them. As I add the mozzarella, you can already see how everything starts to come together and balance, creating a base that defines not only the texture, but also the final appearance of the dish. Even though it's a simple and practical recipe, it has a presence that grabs attention right away. Right after that, we'll add oregano to taste, sprinkling it over the top. Then I'll cover it again and let it cook for 5 more minutes. After that time, we'll remove the pan from the heat and place this delicious omelet we made onto a plate. The first time I made this recipe at home was completely improvised, with no warning and no intention of impressing anyone. But it only took a few minutes for everyone to realize something special was happening. The aroma started to spread, and soon the kitchen was full of curious people trying to guess what was being prepared. No one imagined it would be something so accessible, made with ingredients already on hand. The final look was so beautiful and well put together that some people thought I had ordered it from somewhere. Every detail came together perfectly. The top nicely set, the visible texture, and a light inviting look that made it even more appetizing.